Welcome back and happy Pi Day 2021. Today is a day where we celebrate pi, which is basically the ratio of these circumference of a circle to the diameter, and it goes like 3.14159, and I'm pretty sure you know all that. Let's just get started. Today we celebrate Pi Day. Today we celebrate Pi Day with I put a py there because py is a file extension of Python, and so get it Pi Day, and we're gonna make a variable called pumpkin pie, and we're gonna use the round function, which is a new function that rounds a number. So, and you may have heard of the approximation 22 divided by 7 as pi, but there's an even better approximation, which is 355 divided by 113, and we're going to round that to 2 decimal places. I think I almost deleted that file. Okay, so we're gonna round 335 divided by 113 by 2. And we're gonna round it to 2 decimal places, and then we're gonna make a new variable called apple pie, and in this one we are gonna also use the round function. And I always like to import my libraries at the very top of my code. I think it's clean, and I'm gonna import math, which is a module. Module is just like a file associated with Python. Like you don't even have to this certain module math. We don't have to install it with a terminal or anything. It just comes along with Python. So import math, and then we're gonna round. These modules, they usually just consist of functions, but there are actually many more, like lists, basically just objects, right? Objects are just variables, lists, things like those are just like everything basic. Actually, yeah, everything in Python is like an object, and we want to get the object called pi. This module math, it has an object called pi, and to access that we have to put the name of the module math.py. That way we can get the object. And math.py, it's like a variable, I think. I'm not sure, but it has its value is like pi, exactly pi. So when we round that to 2, then we're also gonna get the same. Then we're gonna get the same value as pumpkin pie. Now, when we print pumpkin pie equals to apple pie, the reason I put 2 equal signs is because one equal sign is to indicate declaring a variable or list or anything. Pumpkin pie is equals to, and then we put a value. 2 equal signs indicates a comparison operator. So we can have greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. Right now we're going to do if pumpkin pie is equal to apple pie. And this thing is called a condition. See, it has 2 equal signs. So it's like this. So if we do, you usually see people doing it like this. If pumpkin pie, and we make like an if statement that way. But as you may have, if you watch the video, if you watch my previous videos, you know that every condition like this, the first thing we're comparing, compares the operator, and then the second thing. So this is called a condition, and each condition's value, it will be true or false. And true and false are Boolean values. So true. Here you go. It's blue. False. Sorry, false is also blue. It's just blue because Visual Studio Code recognizes that they are keywords, that they're actually something in Python, not just something random. Because true and false are like a different data type itself. Like we have integers, strings, we have floats. We also have booleans, right? So this will either return true if pumpkin pie, the variable pumpkin pie's value is equal to the value of the variable apple pie, and if it's not, then it'll return false. So okay, now true. So it does return it because 355 divided by 113 is a pretty close approximation of pi, and when you round it to 2 decimal places, it is the same as math.py. So it's the same as the normal version of pi, and so that's how pumpkin pie is equal to apple pie. Which pie do you like best? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed today's Pi Day, and yeah, as always, see you in the next video. Bye!